Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a refreshing fat loss drink. We'll focus on using natural ingredients that support your body's processes. Remember, staying well hydrated is key for a healthy metabolism and overall well-being. These drinks are a great addition to a balanced diet and regular exercise, helping you reach your goals. Our core ingredients are simple yet powerful. Lemon juice is excellent for digestion and helps with detoxification. Ginger root is known to reduce inflammation and can give your metabolism a helpful boost. Cucumber, with its high water content, keeps you hydrated and offers beneficial antioxidants. Together, they create a fantastic base. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Preparing your drink is very straightforward. First, ensure all your fresh ingredients are thoroughly washed and sliced. Next, combine these ingredients with water in either a blender or a pitcher. If blending, aim for a smooth consistency. Finally, chill the mixture for at least 1 hour. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. To further enhance your drink, consider adding a pinch of cayenne pepper. Its capsaicin can increase thermogenesis, helping your body burn more calories. Fresh mint leaves provide a refreshing taste and aid digestion. For best results, try to drink 1 glass daily, ideally in the morning to kickstart your day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.